Hey everyone, just here to give you an update on my watch list, what I'm looking for the week of September the 13th. And we'll start off with Bitcoin. Um, I'm looking here at this weekly on this weekly channel. We're holding off here. When we broke down from this rising channel, if you watched my previous videos, if you haven't, please go and watch and subscribe. I was looking at this rising channel, and we broke down and went all the way to the GP on this fib retracement, and for now, we're holding this zone where we're having an EQ on the hourly, which I told you from the previous video. I'm watching this EQ, and we're still playing within it. So what am I looking for right now? What am I looking for near term and longer term for Bitcoin? A breakout of this EQ on the hourly, 47,419, or a break here, breaking this low of 44,125. Candles need to close outside of it, and then we take a look at what supports we have at the bottom. But right now I'm looking for a break of either way. If I look back on this weekly, I'm just thinking here, if this is our bottom, the last consolidation which happened real quick, if we're gonna hold these 43,000s, let's say, and if we're gonna curl up here, we have this weekly descending channel. If we break out of it, I'm looking for price targets of 58,000, 62,000, and 67,000. Let's take a look at Ethereum. So for Ethereum, basically, I had this 4-hour triangle which we broke bearish. And I was looking at this GP here. Sorry if my chart is a little messed up, but it's a little messy, but I'll just tell you what I'm looking at for Ethereum. When we broke this triangle bearish, I wasn't looking for it to come down that quick, but I was looking for it to eventually come down and get into the golden pocket retracement, which was around 32,000 and 3,143 and 3,217. But with this wick, we really went much lower. We bulls bought that up. Let me zoom in a little bit. Bulls bought that up, and we came back down, tested it again. Usually when you have your GP, you come down, small bounce, a temporary short-term bounce, and you go back and test the GP. So right now, basically, what I'm looking for is I have this 4-hour channel drawn up. It's a descending channel, and we have a couple of tops here, a couple of bottoms. I have my indicator here stating that probably it can tomorrow, the next candle here on the 4-hour, or the candle after that, we might see some breakdown again. So I'm kind of looking to see if we're gonna do this type of a move. Come down, hold the median line here, and break out. Or we're gonna come down, break the median line, and test the bottom of this channel and see if we can actually break out of it. If we hold this channel, if we hold this median line here and we break out of it, I'm looking for a price target of 3,600, at least 3,600. After that, we have 3,800. That's what I'm looking for Ethereum. We're gonna move on to Tsla, and Tsla. Basically, what I had here is I have two channels here. I have one larger channel, both on the daily, which starts from the 780 zone, goes back down to the 546s. And I have this rising channel on the daily as well, which initially we broke out of this bullish, and I'm not gonna say it was a fake out. Not gonna say it was a bull trap or anything. SPY consolidated. Tesla consolidated with it, and right now we fell back into this channel. Monday, if we open under the channel, I'm looking for bulls to buy out this golden pocket fib retracement zone of 723 and 720. I want to see if this holds up. If this holds up, then I'm looking for a reversal here, but the bulls really need to buy this with a lot of volume, and we need a quick reversal. If not, if we break down lower, then once again I'm looking back into this median line of this channel, which is going to be around 700. Let's say around the 700 mark. I'm going to keep updating this chart. I just wanted to see what's going to happen on Monday, and I'm going to give another update on Monday. After that, I wanted to do give me 1 second, please. I wanted to do Aapl because this is one of the plays I'm looking at. I know there was some bullish sentiment last week on Friday, I believe, and we gave back a lot of this move. Aapl, I mean, as it is, it doesn't move that quick, but giving back, almost $7 here. So what I'm looking for, again, on this daily, I have this rising channel, which we broke out of. It was a little bit of a similar move as Tesla, to be honest. We broke out of it, which was a great trade on its own right here. And we broke back in it, and now we came right back down and tested this median line. If we break down lower on Monday, I'm expecting the bulls to buy out this golden pocket again, fib retracement, which is going to be around 144 and 145, and it's going to be at the bottom of this rising channel, and see if we get some sort of a reversal, or we're going to break down further. But Monday, actually, I'm looking at this median line to hold. If this median line holds, I'm looking to start a position here, depending on what SPY does. But I'm planning to start a position here with a stop under Friday's lows, 148.70. Stops usually for me, depending on the situation, they're not that tight. I don't put really tight stops, but I will scale it into this position. Another thing to consider here is I'm gonna keep this in mind. Right now it's not certain, but excuse me. I'm looking at this head and shoulder on the daily. I'm gonna move to Amazon. So sorry, this is AMC. Amazon's here. So once again, I have this count on the weekly for Amazon. We have a 5 count impulsive up. We have a correction here. This blocks the B. But once again, I have this rising channel here, and right now we broke over the median line. I want to see if this holds. If this holds, bulls really need to come in with volume and take this higher here. But it all depends, because I do see this clear head and shoulder pattern here. So I'm just wondering if you watch closely, we really close with this top wick, which I didn't like that much, and the candle previous as well. But I want to see if we break down, to be honest, with Amazon. I want to see if we break down, break this rising channel and get into the GP here, around 2780, 2689. I know it's a long way to go, but basically the bullish scenario I told you, over this median line, we need to break the highs of what is it, 35. 1 second, please. 3550 recent highs, and if we break below this median line, then pretty much is a no touch zone for me, and I'm looking for it to come down lower. And if we come down to this to the bottom of this channel, I might give this a try to start a position, see if we bounce. We'll see what happens. I'm going to update this chart if we get to the bottom of this channel. So we're going to move on to, let me see. We will do some meme stock. So I'm going to look at a GME. So if you watch my previous video, I gave a couple of scenarios, and one of the scenarios I gave here was we were inside this falling channel on the hourly, this descending channel, and I was looking at it was earnings, and I said that either we're going to come down, test the median line and break out hard, or we're just going to break out. We're going to just break out hard on this break out of this channel with the earnings report. Or I was looking for another move here, which was on the daily, that I have this big channel from the 38s up to the 348.50. You might think why. Most importantly is this trend line at the bottom. But I just wanted to see if this becomes or develops into an actual real channel here. But for now, I was looking for a potential move back to test this trend line here in the 170s and break out from here. I actually called out my price targets of 260 and 315, 300 to test the median line at the top here. So I want to see if we're going to break down here and we're going to touch this, the bottom of this channel, this trend line here. Another possibility, it's not the best head and shoulder, but I see something like this. We have the head, we have the right shoulder, and that's what I see. So something like this. So it's not Definitely it's not textbook head and shoulder, but you get the idea of the head, left shoulder, right shoulder. We'll see what happens on Monday. I'm going to update this chart, but to be bullish psychologically, we want to be over 200. We're going to look at AMC, which pretty much it was one of the biggest trades that I was looking for out of all the charts. It played out great. So what was I looking for on my previous video? I was looking at this descending channel again on the daily. We broke out of it. Then I was watching, I believe it was this, yes, it was this hour, no, it was the 4 hour, this 4 hour kind of a rising way, kind of this 4 hour triangle here, which I counted the wicks as well, because I like to count the wicks. And I said pretty much if we break out, we can come back and test this triangle again and break out. And I called out the price targets. I was looking for 63.83 and it's $70.73. That's what I was looking for. So same thing on Monday. I'm looking for a back test to this triangle. It could be around the $43 zone. It depends if we leave a wick or not, and a curl back up and a breakout zone. So I'm really bullish on AMC. Broke down a little bit on Monday, on Friday, but we have a little bit of a 4 hour higher low here. Let's see if we're going to curl up or if we're going to come touch this triangle and curl up. And bulls really need to, one thing I want a lot of volume with these moves. So I'll keep updating this chart on Monday. Let's see. So I was looking at this another meme stock, I guess, this SPRT, support.com. So on my previous video, if you watched it, I was talking about a buy zone, which I got in at the gap fill. We were somewhere around here on this candle. So I was calling for a gap fill at the $19.99 mark, $19.99. And that's exactly what happened. We came, but only issue I had, we filled the gap and we broke down further, which I didn't like that much. But anyway, I got filled with my position. We curled back up, which was great, and we went all the way back to $27. So that was a great trade on its own. I took half of the position. I sold half of the position. I have the other half still. I really want to take a look at this chart and see if we get some more bullish momentum or we're going to break down further here. I was looking at this, so I was looking at this hourly falling channel. We broke out, but as you see, I was looking for an actual move up, but we went a little bit sideways, so probably we will have some sort of a hourly EQ here, which I'm gonna draw out for you right now. Sorry. It's a little bit of an ascending channel, but we're gonna play inside this channel pretty much until we break out or break down. So this is what I'm gonna be watching. I'm going to update this chart as well. I'm going to see if we're actually going to break high here on Monday or if we're going to break down. I'm going to post a video on this. I'm going to keep updating you on this one. Okay, so now looking for Just want to give you an update on SPY and gold, and I'm done here. SPY was just it was a great call. I mean, if you watch my previous videos, I mean, we broke out of the channel, went to the GP. We didn't hold the GP. Broke down further. Broke down to the 50% fib retracement, and we held the median line of the channel that I have on the daily. We held this median channel, and once again, I'm charting the ETF here, not the futures. So anyway, so I want to see what happens on Monday. This one, I might start a position on Monday, depending on if we're gonna hold this median line, or we're gonna break this median line on Monday and go down lower. If we get down lower, I'm looking for a play here in the $437 zone, and see if we're gonna V-shape, just like every V-shape that we had in the previous months. Countless V-shape recoveries. So pretty much an easy play, to be honest. So yeah, I'm just gonna see what happens on Monday, and my stop is gonna be under the low, obviously, of Friday, and see if we're gonna break higher to new highs if we hold here. If we do hold here, I'm just gonna give you some price targets. Excuse me. So I'm looking at 456. If we break out of this channel, 454 will take us right at the top of the channel, and we can reject here. If we break out of this channel, I'm looking for 456.30 and then 459. And I won't be surprised if we break out of this channel bullish for new highs of 463.15. So lastly, I just want to take a look at gold. One thing that I caught my eyes was that this chart is a little bit messy, but just please try to understand what I'm trying to explain here. I'm looking at this 4-hour channel right now. I want to see if we're going to hold or break higher here, or if we're going to break down. If we're going to break down, I'm looking for this GP here. And this GP goes from the bottom, from the previous bottom, 1681, to the recent top. And the GP is around 1,775 and 1,780. I want to see if the bulls are going to buy this zone, or if we hold this zone. I'm looking for this inverse head and shoulder. So if we do have this inverse head and shoulder, and if we curl up bullish, then I am looking for a price target of at least 1,857. After that is 1,875, and then 1,900. And that's this is pretty much the only move that I'm looking for gold. Once again, thank you for watching. I'm going to update these videos as the week comes, and please help me grow my channel, and so I can put out more content. Please subscribe. Please like my videos if you do like them, and yeah, thank you for watching.